Okay, so in this video we're going to be separating the rooms. So in order to do that, we're going to go to the architectural tab, and in the room and area ribbon you'll see the room option. We'll just select that, and we're going to place a room inside our room. So when you're placing a room, you're not essentially placing a room. What you're placing there is the dimension of the room and information on that room. So this is going to be a room, so we've placed it there. So this is going to be another room, we have placed it there. This is going to be a washroom, so we have placed a washroom symbol there. Now if you come to place a room here, you can see that the entire open space is being taken as a room. But if you look at the project picture, the floor plan picture, you can see that there are 3 separate rooms, so you cannot apply the room there like that. So what we're going to do is press the escape button. Okay, so we have now 3 rooms. So in order to make those rooms, we need to add in a room separator. So we're going to use the room separator right over here. It is also in the architectural tab and in the room and area ribbon. Select on the room separator and select the line option. So the line option, it is going to be from, let's say, here to here. That's one separator. Press the escape button to let go, and then there's going to be another separator from here to here. Press on the escape button to let it go, and press on the escape again to let go of the command. Now you take the room, and as you can see, we can put in different rooms now. So there we have the kitchen. There you go. This is going to be the hallway, and this is going to be the living room. Okay, so press on escape. Now that you have added all of the rooms there, we're just going to edit the name of the rooms. We're going to call it, let's call this the bedroom 1. So we'll write it as, or just bedroom. There you go, it's done. Now we come over here, we want to edit this room. We'll call it master bed. This is the master bed. And then here we come here, and this is going to be the kitchen. And this one is going to be the hallway, so not the number, so let's call it hallway. And let's call this the washroom. Okay, the washroom. And let's call this the living room. There you go. So we have added the rooms there and the room information there. Now we would want to add a room legend there. So this is something that we're going to see in the next video. Okay, so that was it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you got to learn something new.